How to research popular topics for your course or digital product on Amazon. Although Amazon does not permit vendors to sell courses on their platform unless they are converted to a book, ebook, or a video, the platform itself is still useful to use during a research process. This is because Amazon remains one of the largest platforms that contain information that you can use to your advantage when researching potential topics for your courses. Okay, so first step is go to amazon.com or amazon.ca depending on where you live. The second step would be to use the search bar to search for a key term that is commonly used in your niche or your industry. In our case, in this example, we're going to use personal development. And make sure that this section here is on books or audiobooks, but we're going to start with books initially. And you get a few results here. This is not based on popularity or anything like that. I like to check the language, make sure it's in English because I'm mostly interested in books that are in English. And then I like to sort it based on customer reviews, 5 stars and up, and we get a few results here. But as you can see, it's not in any particular order. This is not based on popular orders. After that, I like to sort it by average customer review. And now we're getting books that are popular, that are written about personal development. And now I'm gonna screen the results and screen the topics. So the first book here is Recovery from Narcissistic Abuse, Gaslighting, Co-Independence, and Complex PTSD. You know, if I find a topic appealing to me, then I write it down because it is popular. It has got 5 stars in reviews and it was reviewed by 737 people. So you know it's popular. We can click on it just to read more about it. Here you take notes and see if any of these things could be added to your course depending on your skills, your ability. The idea is to understand what is popular and what is selling on Amazon so that you build a course around something within your expertise, but something that is more likely going to sell. Another thing that I like to do on Amazon is after I click on the product, I like to see here, product related to this item. These are other books, other titles that are sort of relevant, that are being advertised. As you can see here, sponsored. That means they're being advertised by other vendors. This is another area where I like to screen for topics and books and ideas for product name, for a course or for printables. And the reason why this section is very useful, it's simply because it's other vendors that are promoting the product, and vendors often promote the best products that they know that they're able to generate a return on. So they wouldn't promote a product that is not popular and does not sell, because then they would lose money on it. So they promote the best of the best because there is a high possibility that they will close on that promotion. So this section is very neat. I like it. I like to screen it. As you can see here, this is also kind of pertaining to personal development, divorcing and healing from a narcissist, emotional and narcissistic abuse. It's another topic that is related, but you get the idea. The art of letting go, how to let go of the past and look forward to the future. Another one, emotional intelligence, 21 most effective tips and tricks on self-awareness. That could be a topic that you can, if it pertains to your expertise, you can write about, you can talk about. So this section can give you a lot of useful ideas on popular courses. So this one here, as you can see, Master Your Emotions, a practical guide to overcome negativity. This one here has been reviewed by 7,871. That means they've had that many customers that have bought the product. That means it's a very popular one. So now you write this one down on the list as one of the potential topics that you can create a course around, if obviously it pertains to your expertise. So you can use the strategy to find trends in any topic. It doesn't have to be personal development. It could be even about sports product, or books on how, or courses on how to create a business. You just do the same thing and you come down to this section. After you click on the most popular products, you come down to this section and just review different products. This is how you can get ideas on what works and what doesn't work within an industry, within a niche, by using the best free open source platform out there, which is Amazon. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to screen and find trends within your industry without having to subscribe to expensive tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs that give you information on how popular a certain product is. You can literally just use these platforms like Amazon or Udemy. I have another video on Udemy. You can just check it out later. So yeah, that's how you basically do it. You can even take it one step further by looking at audiobooks. And essentially you do the same thing here. I'm more interested in books that are in English, and I like to sort things by customer reviews. And now I'm getting audiobooks in the personal development niche, and I just screen the topics based on results. Here, this one has got 2,381 reviews and 4.8 stars out of 5. Eastern Body, Western Mind, Psychology, and the Chakra System as a path to the self. You can click on it and you review it, and then you come down to here, most popular. And as you can see, Amazon just gives you all the popular ideas that are within the realm of personal development. And you can just look and browse and see if any of these topics appeal to you. And if they do, you write them down. Although these are audiobooks and you're trying to create a course or a product, it is still okay to look at these topics and get ideas from these topics and find out trends, popular trends that you can use, because this tells you that these topics are sought after, these topics are popular, these topics are what people search for and what people want, and that's why the vendors have these products. As you can see here, the reviews are within thousands. Some of them they have 21 reviews or 51 reviews. There might be new popular emerging books, and that's why they're kind of like being promoted by Amazon. Although they don't have a lot of reviews, but Amazon put it in the most popular category. That means this one might be on the rise. So you just scroll and screen and look for ideas, and you can move down to the next section. People who bought this also bought these books, and you can see, based on the amount of reviews, that reveals how many times the book has been sold and been reviewed by people. So that's how you basically do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.